I'm not 100% sure how good this is going to work. Hopefully it's going to work, but you can see the shop is ripped apart. I'm sorry if the fan is loud. I'm trying to dry stuff out. You can see, I don't know, can I zoom in? It's just, I mean, everything around the perimeter is rotten now. Look at that. That's right there. That's really wet right there. I'm recording this on my cell phone, so hopefully it's going to work out good. But this is kind of what we're looking at. The workbench used to be in that corner. There's the air compressor. I had my table saw table right here, which now the top of it is over here, and it's just, as you see, everything's in disarray. So what needs to happen is this board here, this white board right here, I'm pointing out with my foot. Basically the whole floor needs to be replaced. So you've got one board, you've got two, you've got, I mean, this one right here, it's basically the whole thing. The whole thing, and you could see maybe right down there, if I could zoom in enough, where it's separating. Yeah, so what I'm trying to do now, which usually it's not this terribly messy in here, but what I'm trying to do now is I'm trying to get it to the point where I can work in here. So I cleared everything off here, and I'll show you this really quick if you can see it. I'm not sure if you're going to be able to see it, but I mean, the whole floor just moves. The whole thing is just rotten and moves. Let me put this piece back. So I'm drying it. Ultimately it's going to be replaced. I'm just drying it so I'm not working around a bunch of wet, soggy wood. Basically, I don't know when, but this whiteboard goes right to the edge, right there. Comes all the way out to right here, all the way to the door and over. So that's going to be the first piece. The bad thing is this board goes under the wall. It's above the foundation, but goes under the wall. So I'm going to have to remove it slowly and shim the building as I go, and then remove the shims as I put the new board in. So that's going to be a little bit difficult. I've never ever attempted something like this before, but the theory works. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to do that, and then I'm going to move on to there. And once I get to there, from this line right here all the way to the wall and all the way across the building to the door, I'm going to try to get everything in here over on these two new boards to replace the rest of them in here. So it's definitely a mess. It's going to be a big job, but I just need to get things cleaned up enough so I can get the new wood, get it sealed, get it installed. I don't know when I'm going to start this project. I did start a GoFundMe for it. I'll try to put that in the description down below in case any of you guys want to contribute to the repairs. But I just appreciate everybody watching, let alone contributing. So yeah, this is what we're looking at. It is a disaster, but we hit a real critical problem in here that causes the whole floor of the building to need replacement. So thanks for watching, everybody. I appreciate it. Again, I'm not going to be editing this because I'm just doing it on my cell phone, so we'll see how it comes out. But yeah, all right, we'll catch you on the next one.